If it moves, generally it's the work of the millwright.
Today's owners expect nothing less than perfection.
They give me the most skilled people that have not only been trained in it, but have done it before.
The training that they have here is absolutely excellent.
The millwright, he's looking at the whole job.
Dollar for dollar, our members are the best value out there.
In today's complex, competitive economy, you need all kinds of machinery to keep the power on, production up, and distribution going. And today's UBC millwrights have all the skills you need to get that machinery moving and to keep it moving. Industry today demands contractors who can provide efficient, cost-effective service. And from maintenance and repair to new installation, union contractors and their UBC millwrights have what it takes.
We're working people, yes. They've got calluses on their hands, yes. We do hard work, yeah. Well, it is quality work. That's the attitude we're trying to bring into our new people and our old people.
People come with the right skills, the right attitude, come in there, work safe, and get the job done.
Okay, now hold that. Union millwrights, part of the United Brotherhood of Carpenters for 125 years, bring today's contractors and end users an enormous range of skills, plus the proficiency and professionalism that make every job a success. And we mean every job.
There's all kinds of work to do being a millwright. Conveyor work, monorail work.
Pumps, compressors, machinery alignment.
We mix grout, we set fixators, we do precision optical leveling.
Rigging is very important.
Welding, blueprint reading, layout.
We work in power plants on turbines and generators, distribution centers, just a multitude of manufacturing plants.
A lot of our work is maintenance outages. We actually go into this U.S. Steel plant every week for one day. We're given so many hours to complete so many tasks. We're going in, taking equipment apart, replacing bearings, gears, repairing any structural repairs that need to be done, changing track for some of the equipment that runs on track. Very important to have skilled millwrights. You got to get in, you have a limited amount of time on most jobs to get them done. I mean, they're not making pipe. When they're not making pipe, they're not making money.
A lot of our work is in our body shops and general assembly areas. We have a short period, like this last time was 2 to 3 weeks. So there's a great pressure to get in there, get started, get it done. So we can come in and start it back up again within the day and be back making product.
Whatever the work, UBC millwrights bring you the same precision and pride on every job. They've mastered this tough trade not only with solid experience, but also with training. The most complete skill building system in the trades.
One of the things we try to really stress here when we're out in the classroom or the shop is the fact that being productive is probably the most important thing going. Doing a job once, doing it right. To be competitive, you have to be skilled. The more skills you have, the more competitive we can be.
Today's UBC spends more than $100 million a year covering the industry from our $25 million international training campus in Las Vegas. That's where we work with contractors and manufacturers to constantly update our curricula. And it's where we train and update millwright instructors from the UBC's 250 training programs across the U.S. and Canada.
You can take one apart and go through all the checks. Once an instructor's trained, that instructor is going to take the information back to their local JAC teach that information the way it was presented here. Everything is standardized at that point. That's for our first pump.
And the 40,000 square foot millwright training building provides dedicated courses and equipment for critical industry expertise.
Sure not a Las Vegas vacation. The students come, they're regimented to a week of intense training. It's journeyman upgrade training, but it's more than that. It's attitude, and it's work ethic, and it's safety, and it's all of the things that's expected from a contractor.
And more than solid skills and the latest technology, UBC training emphasizes the safety that's good for the workers and businesses as well.
It doesn't matter how much money you make. If you get hurt, it's not worth it. It's bad for the individual and it's bad business.
All the end users are very conscious of safety. And if you don't have a good safety record, they don't want you on their property.
The workers are asked to take the responsibility for themselves and their co-workers while they're in our power plants for safety. And the millwrights have stepped up and done that. They have some of the best safety records of any of the tradesmen that work in our power plant.
Safety is just part of the UBC's commitment to being partners in the industry. From the working members to the general office, today's UBC knows that good union wages depend on successful union contractors.
You want to win. If you want to win and you want to work, you go out there with a great attitude, do everything you can to get them folks back online on time and run it right. We're going to win every time.
We try to give the contractors whatever they need because we realize without the contractors, we don't have work for our members.
We both have a joint interest of putting more millwrights to work, so they can put more millwrights to work and we can make more money. It's pretty simple.
We have to go out there and really perform out there and show them that we are the ones that can do the best job.
Attitude, skills, pride, experience. UBC millwrights help their employers win more jobs because they get the job done right.
Well, the union millwrights help us compete for the work by being better skilled, better trained, by coming in with the right attitude that we're here to get the job done, to give 8 hours of work for 8 hours pay.
Precision, productivity, partnership. Whatever the work, UBC millwrights are smart business.
If we work together, we're going to be able to at least make me more competitive. And if I'm more competitive, I can give them more work. And that's what it's all about.